In this video, we are now seeing a bullish signs across Bitcoin, Axie Infinity, as well as SLP. Stay tuned to know more. Hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabbal cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. And guys, just in case hindi pa kayo nakasali, ongoing pa din yung ating Christmas crypto giveaway. Pipili tayo ng next 5 winners for tomorrow as well as on the coming day. So if hindi pa kayo nakasali, you can actually find this form in the description down below. And then you just have to follow the following requirements. So now, let's go back to the Bitcoin price action. Siguro let's talk about Bitcoin quickly kasi right now, the Bitcoin chart is indicating this bullish chart na papakita ko sa inyo, not only for the Bitcoin price action but also with Axie Infinity as well as SLP. So, yung as of now, siguro bigyan natin kayo ng quick recap with the Bitcoin price action. Diba, from the previous analysis natin, we saw this breakout. Pero diba sabi ko sa inyo, walang buy volume. And in that case, if walang buy volume, that's more likely going to lead into a fake out or a resistance. And in that case, ang resistance na titingnan natin would be, first things first, our first target is the 49.3K. And look at that. We have now met our 49.3K exactly. At dito naman, yung ating next target, if ma-break natin yan, would be the 51K. So right now, ito kailangan natin i-monitor dito with the Bitcoin price if we are going to break this 49.3K. But looking at this in the early time frame, you can see na this is not a good sign. We are starting to see this increasing price, but the RSI is increasing. So indicating na this might be the end if hindi pa tayo makuha ng buy volume for a very short-term pump. So take note, this is just for the very short term. So ayan, yung ating tinitingnan ngayon, we need to break this 49.3K. Pero if hindi natin ma-break yan at mag-play out tong bearish divergence, then we might see a pullback back to the 50 MA dito sa early time frame or pwede din kay 4-hour time frame, yung ating 50 MA. So right now yung ating titingnan with the Bitcoin price. But on top of that, I think ang maganda ngayon tingnan is this bigger time frame. So this does not only goes with the Bitcoin price action but also with Axie Infinity and SLP. Kasi look at this. Kasi right now, the Bitcoin price is forming this trend of higher lows sa RSI. And look at this. Ang dapat mangyayari is dapat yung prices nagde-decline while the RSI is increasing. And usually, those are an indicator of a bullish trend reversal. So right now, we are now seeing that bullish trend reversal signal for the Bitcoin price. And look at this. If you're going to base this with historical data, we saw that movement previously, declining price, but ayun, the RSI is increasing, so that's why we saw a bullish trend reversal. Same goes no Bitcoin may capitulation. We saw this declining price, but the RSI is increasing, so that's why we saw a bullish trend reversal. So, ito yung mga big signs na pwede tayong makita ng trend reversals as long as makita tayo ng bullish divergence. So, di ba nakita natin siya ngayon dito sa ating Bitcoin price? You can also find that in the Axie Infinity price action. Kasi if you're going to look at the Axie Infinity price action, nagkakaroon tayo ng lower lows dito sa ating Bitcoin price, but the RSI is having higher lows. So, the price is declining while the RSI is increasing. That's an indicator of a bullish trend reversal. So, right now, we are going to monitor that. And as you can see, we are seeing those bullish signs. So in this case, ang target talaga natin ngayon for Axie Infinity is around the 113 up until the 115 US dollars. Pero we must break the 99 US dollars area in order for this to continue. So as you can see that both in the Bitcoin price as well as dito kay Axie Infinity. Now let's talk about SLP. Kasi if you're going to look at SLP, diba? SLP has been declining pretty much. Pero right now, we are starting to see this sign. This is actually one of the first signs. First time actually nakita natin dito kay SLP kasi usually, yung ating bullish divergence has been only forming with the 4-hour time frame. That's why we are only seeing a bullish trend reversal for the very short term. So ito example, isang declining price while the RSI is increasing. Ito, increasing RSI. So that's why we saw this bullish trend reversal kay Axie Infinity kaya nagpump siya. And then, diba ito, nakita nyo, ito mga mini pump na yan, yung mga mini intra-cycle volatility ni SLP, yung mga shorter pumps na yan, makita mo kasi in the early time frame, if i-zoom in mo dun sa area na yon, nagkakaroon tayo doon ng bullish divergence din. Yung sinasabi natin na declining price while the RSI is increasing. So, ito, as an example, the price was declining, and then, the RSI is increasing. That's why we saw a movement to the upside. Same goes dito sa area na to, declining price, but the RSI is increasing, we saw a bullish trend reversal. So right now, ang magandang mangyari is dapat mas makita tayo ng gantong movement in the bigger time frame. Kasi we all know, if yung bullish divergence is forming in the bigger time frame, that is a powerful bullish divergence. Kasi look at this, never pa tayo nagkaroon ng bullish divergence in the daily dito kay SLP price action. Puro dun pa lang sa early time frame, pati 4-hour time frame. So which is a very short term. So right now, we are now starting to see this bullish divergence forming with the SLP price action. This is actually the first time na we are going to see this kasi yun nga, hindi pa tayo nagkaroon nun. And ayun nga, if this actually plays out, then I think we might see a very good movement to the upside for SLP. Pero ano ba yung magiging targets natin dyan? So of course, if you're going to look at the SLP price action, you can actually see na meron tayong resistance. This is actually previous support which is now going to act as a resistance. So I think ang more likely scenario natin dito and magiging target natin is more likely around this 0.5 cents. So 5 cents ang more likely magiging target natin. Looking at the moving averages, it actually says na ito nga, if ma-break natin tong 20 MA, then it's more likely na pupunta tayo sa 50 MA, which is roughly playing around the 5 cents area din. So signs are pointing out to a 5 cents area movement with the SLP price action, especially with this bullish divergence forming. So I think we are going to see a healthy movement to the upside for SLP. And then, ayun nga, bullish divergence are good signs and are good indicators na talaga nagsasabi ng bullish trend reversal signals. Pero, ito yung kailangan natin i-take note. This is one thing na kailangan nyo i-monitor kasi on top of that SLP price action na umaakyat, ang dapat na mangyari kay Bitcoin is dapat mag-increase lang siya ng paunti-unti. Kasi if umabot sa point na yung Bitcoin price, ang nangyari sa Bitcoin price is biglang umakit na isang bagsakan at isang malaking pump, then in that case, ang mangyayari is investors are going to move their money from altcoins, especially Axie Infinity and SLP, ililipat nila yung bigla kay Bitcoin. In that case, mapapag-iwanan ng pump yung mga altcoins. Kaya ang dapat mangyari kay Bitcoin is yung pump niya is dapat steady lang para at this point in time, hindi masyado ilabas ng mga tao yung pera nila from altcoins to Bitcoin. Kasi of course, yun yung crypto market money flow. So, ang mangyari dapat ngayon is, dapat steady lang increase ni Bitcoin at hindi isang bagsakan para hindi makuha ni Bitcoin yung attention ng market. So, yun yung kailangan nyo i-monitor ngayon. So, if you're going to follow SLP and Axie Infinity, you really need to follow the Bitcoin price action if we are going to see some steady pumps or magkakaroon pa tayo ng malaking pump. Kasi of course, we don't want Bitcoin to steal all of the attention. So, ayan. So, right now, we are seeing bullish signs for the Bitcoin price action, Axie Infinity, SLP. But the main thing that we need to consider is, will Bitcoin steal the attention from all altcoins? Then in that case, if it does, then mapapag-iwanan yung mga altcoins such as Axie Infinity and SLP sa pump. So, dapat hindi makuha ni Bitcoin na lahat ng attention. So, as of now, guys, I still have my long position open with Bitcoin. Actually, nag-take na ako ng partial profits dito kay Bitcoin, both in dito kay Bybit as well as kay Phoenix. And of course, kinulose ko na yung position ko kay BingX. Pero guys, if you want to claim bonus dito sa ating mga trading platform, you can actually use my sign-up link na you can find in the description down below. And if you want to maximize each and every opportunity, especially if you want to trade Bitcoin, mas mura yating Bitcoin trading fees dito sa platform na yan kaysa kay Binance kasi diba kay Binance, super mahal ng kanilang Bitcoin trading fees. So if you want to trade Bitcoin, you can actually trade it here with Bybit as well as kay Phoenix. And guys, if you want to spend your SLP, Axie Infinity, or any other coin, so let's say gusto nyo na gamitin yung mga profits nyo, you can actually get this beautiful metal Visa card ni Crypto.com kasi dito kay Crypto.com, if you're going to stake CRO, yung kanilang native token, magkakaroon kayo ng benefit which is ito, makakuha kayo ng Crypto.com card and then you can actually convert your crypto dito kay Crypto.com and then pwede mo siya gamitin sa kahit anong stores in the world, especially kay Philippines kasi of course, they accept Visa card. And then currently, yung mga profits ko with altcoins, especially Bitcoin, ginagamit ko ngayon dito sa aking card. And if gusto nyo talaga makuha ng Visa card dito kay Crypto.com, you can actually use my sign-up code which is GabsCrypto. And in that case, makuha kayo ng up to $50 bonus kay Crypto.com if you are going to sign up with my sign-up code. And on top of that, may benefits din dito kay Crypto.com sa kanilang Visa card. You actually have benefits of Spotify, Netflix, Amazon Prime, Airbnb, and different airport lounges. So as usual, if you want to claim bonus dito, just use my sign-up code which is GabsCrypto. So, ayun muna update natin for today, guys. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.